Welcome to this Windows Easy Computer Fixes channel. And it's not just for Windows, for Mac, Android, and all of the different operating systems. This is a quick alert for everybody using on whatever device VLC media player. VLC media player has been hit by a major security flaw. And my recommendation at this point, because it's been a month and they are only 60% done on the fix, my recommendation is to uninstall VLC on all of your devices and replace it with something else. Now, if you're on a PC, you can replace it with Daum Pod Player on Windows, and which is a nice player. But one thing for sure, what's happening with VLC is that right now, any malformed video, audio file that you find on the internet could contain code that basically means they can take total control of your computer. And that's pretty a pretty big security flaw, honestly. So that means that you should stop using VLC. This flaw was discovered about a month ago. It was a German security firm that actually announced, told VLC or Videoland Corporation that there was a flaw. But it was actually disclosed this Saturday, July 20th, 2019. So, because of how long it takes for that fix to actually arrive, my recommendation is just stop using VLC. Like I said, Daum Pod Player on Windows is great, and there are other multimedia players you might want to check out there, because this is a really, really big security flaw. And it means that bad guys could actually take full control of your computer, install malware, ransomware, steal some personal information. It's a really, really big one. And it affects Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux. So all the versions of VLC are, of course, problematic. So make sure that you stop using it for now, as long as the fix is not available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.